Garbage! Oh god, what were we doing in here? Oh no! There's no couches! 30 seconds in, I already roasted the shit out of you outside. Who drew that?
Very wet.
Boys, it has been so goddamn long since we've been in this garage, and apparently not a whole lot has changed with the car. There is, I guess the steering column is in, seats, dash thing, more to come on that, and
AKA the dash.
We're doing the rear subframe. Oh shit, it's already in position.
Yeah. I was gonna put it in, I was like, wait, no, I'll wait for Nick.
Yeah.
And you left.
We've been waiting over 2 months to put this thing in. Somewhere around there, yeah, and Connor's been working a lot. And I have a bunch of footage like compiled in my laptop of us actually doing that and the bushings and stuff, so I guess that'll all just be like, it'll be one video. Yeah, I'll do one video. It's gonna be a long video.
You have to make a good intro for this.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Sorry that there's different weather and we've actually gotten bigger and smaller.
Oh man. Oh yeah, so I was telling my mom I used to come in here and throw the knife up and try and catch it by the handle. And I was gonna do it in our kitchen, but I said I wouldn't do it, so I'll just show her on here. Hey!
I think super glue would be better.
Super glue?
Then you don't see the words.
Can I super glue you so I don't see you?
What are you gonna super glue me to?
The roof. Of a moving van going
Did you
across
eat the whole thing?
No. This motherfucker doesn't cover his wheel or his seats. And then look how dirty this shit is. Just leaves it. No respect.
How loud do you? You already know it.
Super tone horn
It's just a
set.
switch.
One switch? Why do you need just one?
It can double as a left-right turn signal switch.
What?
It's got middle off and a left and a right that are two different circuits.
That's one way to do turn signals. Yeah.
Boy.
The golden package.
Well, I gotta go right where you are there.
Kaylee.
I hate Summit. They send you like fucking.
What is that? Individual?
This is like the packing slips.
Street chassis harness. And it's just for
Some
like,
relays,
universal.
Connectors and switches.
This hurts my head to look at. I thought my wiring was bad.
Fuse box.
Damn.
All the cords colored differently, labeled, printed on the label
Oh, what?
with what it is. Ignition switch. This one says accessory
To fuel pump.
fuel pump 1.
Oh, I see. That's what's going in the dash?
They're pre-pinned. You just plug the pins into the
Into
fuse.
this?
Yep. And
Oh.
it's all wired.
Damn. That is race car-y.
Alright, hold up.
Start, ignition, electric fan, fuel pump 1, 2, water pump, lights.
Alternator cable. Some other stickers. We got some pins. We got some electrical connection stuff.
This all came with the kit?
Yep.
Huh.
And some electric stuff. So I don't know if I want to put it where like the kind of where like the passenger's flippy thing is.
Visor? Flippy thing.
You know, just
Oh, that's a lot of paper towel, man.
okay. Got the brake calipers. Got them Napa specials.
Are these for an RX7?
Yep.
Okay.
That's those. Not gonna unbox the rotors or the pads. Pretty simple. Got these ones.
Oh, man. Holy fuck. Dude, that makes me want them so much more now.
I don't have any nuts in there, so.
Hot boy. Yeah, those will fit. Right, Kaylee?
You're gonna have to do some phone booking.
Some baseball batting. So wide bodies? Wide bodies? What do you mean a little bit? You want like meat on this? You literally, that's 2 inches. Later's problem though.
Just stretch them. Camber them. This girl.
Damn. Look at all these goddamn drift parts. Oh, that's the. That's it?
That's it.
Huh. Simple. Simplicity is key.
Well, let me open up that box.
You guys are getting like a full workover of Connor's build progression and parts list right now.
This is what's going on my seat, Kaylee. PT dubs.
Ooh, at least it's soft.
Not gonna make it feel nice though. It's gonna be really hard.
Just wait till he drives to Calgary the first time, then he'll change his seat. We got gauges, boys.
Miles per hour. Not ideal. Came in a kit though, and it was really cheap.
Okay.
That's gonna probably be enough RPM.
Wait, what does it go to? 7? Yeah.
7,000.
It is a V8. I mean, you could push it, but not water temp.
The basic 6.
Oil.
Pressure. Fuel level.
Yep, need that.
Battery.
Sick. Nice. Good?
Yeah.
Oh, the suspension's so stiff in this thing. It's good. Alright, enough screwing around. We're actually going to do some work here, maybe. Maybe. We say that a lot, but no, we've got... we're going to throw the jack under the diff, obviously, and we're going to roll her in there and just get those 4 bolts in. Hopefully nice and easy. If Connor even knows what bolts are what. Then yeah, we'll bolt in the coilovers and put the brakes on. Right? Maybe.
Maybe tomorrow.
Pretty much everything is a maybe at this point with this car. Because we're a bunch of lollygaggers. Step 1. Struggle to lift fully completed subframe onto the jack. There, that's close enough. Damn, these pants are not good. They're gonna be showing a lot of crack off.
There is something we have to do
Get
first.
to your face.
It's not gonna slide under like this.
Jack the car out.
Slide the subframe under. I'm gonna make this my problem.
See, just fucking oh, look at that. Hey, not too shabby. Ooh.
Pull up the.
Coilovers don't fit.
Yeah, well, they gotta be just pushed back a bit. I didn't tighten that bolt. If you're a man, you can do it.
So what we're about to do is a 3-man job. We're gonna throw the camera on the tripod, and Kaylee's gonna help us jack up this what the fuck is it? Subframe.
I'm watching the coil.
Yeah. You start lifting it up.
Go up. Faster than that.
Very quick. Good job, Kaylee.
Doesn't feel heavy.
I'm so helpful.
Then you start fucking with it, and it is
You have to
heavy.
high five Connor too.
No, here it goes.
I took mine off. This car is missing something. I don't know.
Hi.
Hey, step 2. Bolt in the coilovers. It's 2 of them. It's 2 of them. It's easy. Easy stuff. Should take us 30 seconds max.
Okay, I'm counting.
No, starting when Connor lays down.
Okay, 3,
No.
2.
When Connor lays down.
I think we need to jack it up. Ooh. I'm gonna turn this knob all the way to hard. So that's what it's getting me. Oh, slowly, steady, here you go.
Oh, wait, hold up.
Kaylee, you gotta come get
Wait,
this.
wait.
I mean, it's perfectly lined up. Oh, take the
Okay.
take off these nuts. Dead meme.
I can't see the nuts.
You don't need to see them. They're Connor's nuts. What do you need to see Connor's nuts for?
The camera does. Everybody wants to see.
Oh god.
Get the 4, we're good.
I speak for the people.
All right. Everyone wants to see Connor's nuts. Duh. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, go. Ooh, ooh. Insert. Oh, dude, pressure. Because his car isn't already stiff enough with a freaking 6-point cage.
It was cheap.
So he needs this fucking piece of aluminum that's just gonna stiffen his car right up. But you said safety first. Were you lying?
Yes.
Stretching it out.
What you warming up for?
Gonna just hit a PR bench real quick.
The car?
In the garage of gains, yeah. It's gonna have to go up a lot. Don't worry, I got it. Hey. Get over here.
You can't see anything.
I got the gloves. I'm the doctor. Let's go. Oh. Yep. Keep going.
How are we doing for lineup?
Mint, buddy. Okay. Okay, go. Oh, there we go. Boom, baby! Strut bar complete.
All the way hard.
See this? Garbage.
3 clicks. Soft.
Not.
This is for show.
It's not bad. This is good.
This is a really good shot of your face.
On this?
Stiffens. Oh, it won't do anything. It adds ricer points. All I know is I'm not arguing about the high quality of this penis drawing. Okay? It's good stuff. This is his car. This is gonna be. It's just gonna be the penis mobile until.
We should
So it
hide
runs.
them
Your car
everywhere.
is actually a penis mobile though.
Mine?
Mine!
Why is you know why? Because I'm so dry. Because it's Africa in here.
Is that hot?
Why is mine the penis mobile?
I don't know.
You have to back up your.
Hot boy
your
stance,
back.
that's why. Unusable car setup.
I told him if he didn't bolt the rest of his subframe up, I'd roast him on YouTube.
Okay. You ended that sentence really weird. Because you're doing things, I don't know.
Make sure you get a shot of my butt. Nick always does that.
I already did once.
Okay.
Got another one.
There's probably gonna be like 6 ass shots of Connor.
You could like make a whole video just of.
Montage.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
With all I want for my birthday is a big booty. Finally. 20 minutes later about, hey? Sounds about right.
You look high as fuck. Squinting eyes.
No, I'm low. I'm on the ground.
Wow.
Good one.
So that's the 4 mouse.
Connor wrote December 25th, 2017.
Oh shit, yeah, we
on
passed.
on the bet card we have on the fridge,
That was
stating
before-
when this is supposed to be done.
That was before I was fully building it.
Yeah, right. What is it, January 5th?
Yeah. I need you.
Are you zoomed in?
No, I don't know how to zoom in.
Oh. It's the same as my old camera.
Oh, thank you.
I know when you're zoomed in because the lens changes size on the inside, so.
Oh, it doesn't zoom in very far.
No.
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 Oh, it goes really blurry.
Yeah, because it needs to autofocus.
No, I do that on the other side.
Wow.
I need to do that on the other side.
No, there's only one more side. There's not 3 sides to this. Alright. Why'd the other one slide in? I think this one's just dinked.
You good?
Nope.
Yeah, let me get my one in then.
Okay.
You fucker. Go back. You're gonna pinch my finger, it's gonna hurt. And slap your ass. Get the fuck out of here.
He's gonna slap your ass, Nick.
No, that's gay.
Okay.
Good?
No. Stop fucking around. I'm you fucking around.
No. What's the torque on these babies?
225.
And we have a screwdriver holding it.
You gonna break?
Probably. That's what we're about to find out.
Looks like it's bending.
Hey! And that is a completed subframe video. Me and Connor finally got together long enough to do it over the course of however many months I said in the beginning. But yeah, it's in. The car is almost a rolling shell now. With a few minor things like Connor said, we've got the brake lines, throw the brakes in, the dual caliper kit. Get some tires for his new wheels, which I showed you guys, and that's pretty much it. And it'll be rolling shell. So I will keep updating you guys on the build and let you know if it ever gets finished. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.